Hello, it's my another video and I'm here to record this. My laptop, I just discovered this in my laptop, so apparently it has Bluetooth, so yeah, I've been using this this laptop while doing some household chores, so I've been using this with my Bluetooth earphone. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I've been playing League of Legends, so it hasn't shut down yet. And that's pretty much more. For instance, I like watching videos, especially long formatted videos that takes about an hour. That's all. Bye.